welcome to a brand new vlog. I'm so sweaty, it's very hot, but I'm taking this jacket because I don't know, maybe I might be back home late. I'm going to do my hair. As you can see, I've blown out my hair, so I'll take you guys to go see where I do my hair. And yeah man, it's been a while, it's been a long while. I'm so sweaty. Let's go.
I've been so many places in my life and time. I've sung a lot of songs, I've made some bad rhymes. I've acted out my love on stages with 10,000 people watching. I've acted out my love on stages.
Ndifikile ke apha qha ngoku ndisese kule ndawo kuthiwa kuseziflethini, but ke ngoku ndizawuwela indlela ndiye phaya ezimbacweni, but andifuna ujikeleza ndiphethe ifowuni because ingoxuthu kubona. So let's go guys.
I've acted out my love on stages with 10,000 people watching. I've acted out my love on stages with 10,000 people watching. But we're alone now, singing this song. One crazy sweet sensation.
Oh Sana, I'm so disappointed. Like, I drove all the way from my home to get here, and the person that was supposed to be here to do my hair, Ageko, and she's not answering her phone. We've been speaking even yesterday, confirming the time. Washako ngxaki sis. Kanti yazazi ba yena uzayohamba ayolala elsewhere, then angavuki kulaa ndawo ogqiba angayiphenduli ifowuni yam. I said we'd meet at 7, but now it's 8 o'clock and I've been trying to call her. I'm so disappointed. She could have said if she couldn't make it. Like, I could have made other plans. So that. Don't worry. Don't worry. So for many customers, man, busy. Guys, it's late in the night. I think, what time is it? It's 12 minutes after 9. I just got home. I came back from doing my hair. Okay, I didn't do my hair at the original place because I didn't get that lady. So I called one of my friends, and then they referred me to another beauty salon. That's where I did my hair. I'll show you properly tomorrow. I just wanted to close today's vlog and I'll start again tomorrow. Tomorrow I am going on a concert, going to see Thandiswa Mazwai, and I'm not too sure what to wear. I think I'm going to wear traditional clothing, but I don't know if I'm being dramatic for wearing those. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
All that I imagine, no question on my mind, girl. You make it happen. You make it happen. You make it happen. One crazy sensation. You make it happen.
Yeah, we dress. abantu bathethile ndabamamela, so ndisayide ukunxiba umbhaco lo bendiwucinga ndiyeke ilokhwe. Umbhaco ndandithenga eTown Centre, eMitchells Plain, yiseti ehamba neento ziyi-3, lena sisiketi esingaphezulu, kubekho urepho lapha ngaphantsi, ingathi yayi-650 bandiphazami. Iintsimbi ndandizenzelwa ngusisi waseGryfontein, andisamkhumbuli igama lakhe, wayendenzele about 4 years ago. Zihamba ziyiseti entathu eneento ezintathu. Yile nto ndiyinxibileyo esandleni, ibe yile semqaleni, ibe ngamanqashela ezantsi. Itekini yazazi kudala zigqusha apha kule channel. Ivesti ndandiyithenge RFO nge-R100. Istyle bendisenza kwaRuby, Ruby's Hair Salon, ngakwii-Temporals, isalon yakhona. Andinoba ndiyayithanda na indlela endiyiqhoshe ngayo esi siketi. I think ndizawuphinda ndiyitshintshe, mhlawumbi ndiyiqhoshele ngemva. This is my outfit for today. Mhlawumbi ndingatshintsha ndinxibe ii-sandals depending on uba ndi-comfortable kangakanani na phayana or ilanga lindithini, because ushushu ndiyaziva ndiyabila nangoku.
Wena uyinto enobubele, uyinto ethandekayo, soze ndibuqhele ubuhle bakho, ndimthanda kangangolwandle, uyandinumisa, uyandithanda, hleze seduze kwami, ungumntu ebantwini, ndimthanda kangangolwandle, ndithi woyoyoyoyo, 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 woyo.
Lovers, I just want to close this vlog. Just want to say goodbye. I will see you on the next one. I had such a lovely time recording this. Let me know if you'd like to see more vlogs and what style of vlogging you like from me. I'll see you in the next one. Love you lots. Bye.